I arrived from work a few minutes ago. I have everything ready here to another work day. I think I have more than I can carry. I have my basket with everything, the lights for the fairy garden area, my drill, water, and a new pad because another one was killing me. So let's go. So then I have this left for the balcony, and I put some of the rain leaves here. Let's see how they go. Okay, I changed the lights. I hope these. Oh, I need to remove the paper, I think. Let me see. I'm going to charge if I don't remove that. No, I didn't see that line on that one. Check. Yeah, it has the same line. Okay, very good. Good morning, it is 6:19. I work at 80 days, so I came to do a little of gardening before I leave. Everybody's sleeping, so I don't want to wake up neighbors. I will move my little peppers to the spots, and if I have time, maybe I will put the potatoes on place too. Let's do this really quick. morning I came to work and this is a mess included. All these. Let me see how I can fix all this. Key. This is all that I got. Now I need to go to Freddy's to get something. This is for tomorrow. Oh yes. Are you going to help? You're going to help? I'm sure. I'm sure. Oh, we need to get a lot of these blackberry. So much is growing up. Okay. Let's see what we get. And I got a big cleaning of these. Also with these gloves, the blackberries were no easy, but and in some point I have to get like a little branch and try to make another tree of these because we need to move this one from here. Oh, my plum. I hope I have so many plums. Oh, look at that. I think I will have there. I hope so. We'll see.